Hi friends, today we are looking at a new to me shop called Sparkle Nanny Slime. This shop contacted me and asked if they could send me some slimes to look at and give my feedback on. So that's what I'm doing. They sent me several, I think it was around 6, so I'm going to do 2 in this video. This first one is called Santa's Beard. It's a white, thick and glossy, scented like candy, and it has a clear topper with some pearl glitter in it. This is a really, really nice, thick and glossy. It's a little looser than my favorite type of thick and glossy, but it's not super loose. It was a little tacky, but a few sprays of activator fixed that right up. Really, really lovely texture. Amazing bubble pops. It's a lot of slime too. I believe this is an 8-ounce jar. And with the topper, it's like 9 or 10 ounces. It's a lot. The scent was pretty light. I couldn't really smell that much. It was just like a sweet, very light scent. This clear topper was lovely, also a little tacky, but it is beautiful and crystal clear. Look at that, gorgeous. It's got some pearl glitters in there and shimmer. I'm not sure what I was trying to do here, just ignore that. But yeah, this Santa's Beard is really, really nice. My only feedback probably would be to make the scent a little stronger and maybe make it a touch thicker so it's got a little more resistance to the pull. But other than that, I absolutely loved it. This second slime is a 4-ounce. I think they have 4 and 8-ounce both on their website. This one is Elf Snot. And it's scented Elf Sweat and Peppermint. I have no idea what Elf Sweat is supposed to smell like, but this smelled like minty toothpaste to me, in a good way. It wasn't too strong, but it definitely just smelled like a winter fresh or a peppermint toothpaste. I love the color. It's got these cute little thick rubber Fimos in there of the candy cane.